finding out the distance between two skewed lines. We know that when the two lines are not parallel, then the lines are either intersecting or skew lines. And here the topic is finding out the distance between two skewed lines. And for that, let's suppose the line L1 has the equation given as R is equal to -1, 4, and -2 plus t times of the directed vector from which this line passes is as 3, 3, 5. And line L2 has the equation as passing from the point 2, 5, -3 plus s times of 1, 1, 2. Since we know from this equation that the two directed vectors, let's say this is B1 and this is B2, they are not scalar multiple of each other. So the lines are skewed lines or intersecting lines. And now we are going to find out the distance between these two skewed lines. Let's say one is this line L1 and other is this line L2. And we are going to find out the distance between these two. Where, let's say it passes from the point P and this is passing from the point Q and this is perpendicular to each other. And we have to find out the distance PQ as the distance between the two skewed lines. First of all, P is going to lie on the line L1. So it has the coordinates x, y, z equal to -1 plus 3t, 4 plus 3t, and -2 plus 5t. Similarly, this is the coordinate for this line L1. And for line L2, x, y, z for this is equal to 2 plus s, 5 plus s, and -3 plus 2s are the coordinates for this line L2 there. Both P and Q are going to lie on this line L1 and L2 there. If we can find out the distance between this PQ, so first of all, we are going to find out the directed vector of PQ, which is equivalent to OQ minus OP. That thing will be equal to x coordinate of this one is 2 plus s minus 5 plus s and -3 plus 2s minus OP coordinate is there, that is -1 plus 3t, 4 plus 3t, and -2 plus 5t. So this is going to be equivalent to 2 plus s plus 1 minus 3t, 5 plus s minus 4 minus 3t, and -3 plus 2s plus 2 minus 5t. And that thing will be further equal to s minus 3t plus 3 s plus s minus 3t plus 1 and 2s minus 5t and minus 1 of the directed vector of this line PQ there. Since PQ is has the directed vector with the line L1 equal to B1 and line L2 has the directed vector as B2. So we know that this PQ line is perpendicular to both of these two lines. So we will find out PQ dot B1 should be equal to 0, where PQ is equal to S minus 3t plus 3, S minus 3t plus 1, and 2s minus 5t minus 1 dot B1 that is equal to 3, 3, 5, and that thing is equal to 0 because they are perpendicular to each other. So this will give us 3s minus 9t plus 9 plus 3s minus 9t plus 3 plus 10s minus 25t minus 5 should be equal to 0. Now 3s plus 3s, 6s plus 10s, 16s minus 90, this minus 90 and this minus 25t. So 9 nines are 18 minus 25 is 43t then plus 9 plus 3 and minus 5. So 9 plus 3 is 12, minus 5 is minus 7. Is equal to 0. Or we can write out that this equation will become 16s minus 43t equal to minus 7. Let's say that is equation number 1. Now we can use the second form that PQ dot B2 should be equal to 0 because they are also perpendicular to this vector B2 here. So we can write out PQ vector as 3 minus 3t, sorry, S minus 3t plus 3, then S minus 3t plus 1 and 2s minus 5t minus 1 dot B2 vector is for this line which is equal to 1, 1, 2 and their dot product is also equal to 0. Then this will become S minus 3t plus 3 plus S minus 3t plus 1 plus 4s minus 10t minus 2 should be equal to 0. This is going to be equivalent to s plus s2s plus 4s, 6s, 3t, minus 3t, and minus 10t. So minus 6 minus 10 minus 16t. This plus 3 plus 1, 4 minus 2 plus 2 should be equal to 0. 6s minus 16t is equal to minus 2. And let's say that is equation number 2. Now we can solve this 1 and 2 simultaneously. Now this will become 3s minus 8t is equal to minus 1. Let's say that is 2. And equation number 1 is there. 16s minus 43t is equal to minus 7. Let's say that is 1. Now you can make the coefficients equal of these two. So if we multiply this by 16 and this by 3, then this will become 48s minus 128t is equal to minus 16. And the second equation will become 48s minus 3 is a 9, 4 is a 120, 90 is equal to minus 21. So let's say that is 3 and let's say that is 4. If we subtract from these two equations, this positive will become negative, this negative will become positive, and this negative will become positive here. This and this they are going to cancel out. So that thing is equal to t should be equal to 21 minus 16 is 5. So t value is equal to 5. Now we can put in the equation number 2. Then 3s minus 8 into t value is 5. That is equal to minus 1. So this when 38s, sorry, 3s minus 40 is equal to minus 1. Then 3s is equal to 39. S is equal to 30. So these are the values of S and T we got in these two equations. Then we know the value of S and we know the value of T. Since this is going to give the coordinates of P there and this is going to give us the coordinates of Q there. So the point P will have this coordinate as 2 minus 1 plus 3t. Minus 1 plus 3 into t value is equal to 5. So minus 1 plus 15. Then 4 plus 3t, 3 5s are 15. And this minus 2 plus 5t, so 5 5s are 25. So the value of p there is equal to 14 and 19 and 23. So this is the coordinates of p there. Then we can find out the coordinates of q there. That is 2 plus s. So S value is going to be calculated as 13. Then Y value is 5 plus S, and Z value is there minus 3 plus 2 into 13, that is 26. So the value of coordinate Q there is equal to 15, 5 plus 13, 18, and minus 3 plus 26 is 23 there. So these are the two coordinates of P and Q we have calculated from these two. We know the value of P, we know the value of Q there. Then the P2 distance is basically equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square plus z2 minus z1 square and whole square. So you can find out the distance between these 2 points as 15 minus 14, that is equal to 1 whole square, plus 18 minus 19 is minus 1 square, plus 23 minus 23 is 0 square, and then square root. This will be equal to 1 plus 1 plus 0, that thing is equal to square root of 2, which is the distance between the two skewed lines of P and Q, which has this equation of lines there. So this is the way that we can find out the distance between the two skewed lines